Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Gadget Zone. Sometimes you've got a rather small problem in your day-to-day life, but you really want to fix it with a piece of tech. While you're out on your boat or your old flashlight isn't as bright as it used to be today, we can help you solve these issues and many more. So stick around as we explore 7 new gadgets and inventions that are available in 2020, online and on Amazon and other shopping sites. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and ring the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future videos. The WhiteShark Mix Pro claims to be the ultimate underwater scooter. You may be wondering what an underwater scooter is, but trust me, it is something you need in your life right now. This device makes scuba diving shockingly easy. You simply hold onto the handles of the device and it will pull you through the water with ease. It offers a 60-minute battery life and a camera mount so that you can film your underwater adventures. It can charge within just 2 hours and is designed to be used by the whole family so long as everyone is properly trained in its functionality. It can pull your body up to 1.8 meters per second, which is shockingly fast for such a small device. It has a low battery alert, so you will always know when you need to return to the surface, and it can be charged in just 2 hours. If you want to buy, then the link is in the description. OneEighty is a new type of headlamp that offers 180-degree illumination for all of your home improvement, camping, automotive repair, or outdoor headlamp needs. With the 180 you can say goodbye to limited tunnel vision that is provided by most headlamps. And welcome in OneEighty patent-pending technology that helps you see your full peripheral without hassle. The headlamp is so lightweight that you will likely forget that you are even wearing it, as it weighs just 3.3 ounces. The headlamp is quite comfortable to wear and doesn't have any bulky protruding parts to cause discomfort. You can use it at any place, as on mountains and in the forest at night. It is fully rechargeable with its built-in micro USB recharging port. It contains fast battery charging. You can do exercise at night by wearing it without any hesitation. It can illuminate up to 360 lumens and is available. Now you can find this light on Amazon. If you want to buy, the link is in the description. The Manta 5 considers itself to be cycling's newest frontier. This is the world's first bike that is intended to be used on water. The Manta 5 replicates the experience of riding a bike on land, but perfectly translates that maneuverability to the water. This bike will help you explore the unknown or even just venture out with your loved ones for a weekend stroll across the nearest lake. The bike aims to be usable by people of all fitness levels, meaning the bike shouldn't be too difficult to ride. Even the water can easily drag you down. When paddling, a built-in pedal assist can help those who are less physically able and is adjustable on the fly. The top speed of the bike is estimated to be about 12 miles per hour. And its modular design makes it very quick and easy to set up so that you can get to work quickly. These bikes are definitely not for everyone, as they are expensive bikes to purchase. However, they are incredibly cool and are available for purchase. It's time for a new standard in smartwatches. With its extra-wide curved display, the Amazfit X fits more of the important stuff on your wrist without all the scrolling to find it. The Amazfit X has all the right curves to keep you comfortable and all the right data to keep you motivated. All on a large color-rich display. Intricate in its design, Amazfit X exemplifies the clarity with a 326 ppi HD resolution and enhances its expression through a 400 nit high brightness display. Enjoy sharp and bright display even under direct light with Amazfit X. It applies the continuous heart rate monitoring system to help reach your fitness goals and monitor your health effectively wherever your day takes you. And with a lithium battery that can run for 7 days on a single charge, the Amazfit X has the power to get you through your whole week worry-free, even when you're living around the clock. It's designed with a 92 degrees curvature that helps the Amazfit X rest comfortably on your wrist. Falling asleep wearing the Amazfit X is no problem with all these curves. It's designed with do not disturb in mind. Move more. Stressless. Monitor your health. And go all week on a single charge. If you want to buy, then link is in the description. Introducing MoBlu Pixel's Duex Pro Monitor. The completely portable dual-screen laptop accessory that boosts your productivity by up to 50% and allows for efficient multitasking. Attach Duex to the back of any laptop and you're ready to work wherever you are. Duex Pro is compatible with any laptop via simple USB connection and available in a 12.5-inch size to best fit your laptop. Duex Pro is simple to use and provides flexible rotation and dual-sided sliding with 270 degrees rotation and the option for a 180 degrees presentation mode in 1080p display. Duex is also lightweight, 1.5 pounds, energy efficient, and incredibly durable. Duex Pro is a portable monitor. Duex Pro was created with high-quality industry materials and can withstand the wear and tear that comes with transporting your laptop around. The completely portable dual-screen laptop accessory that promises to boost your productivity by up to 50% and allows for efficient multitasking. Attach the Duex Pro monitor to the back of any laptop and you're ready to work wherever you are. If you want to buy this, then link is in the description. BeeLine is a handlebar-mounted device that helps you find your way on a bike. It strips back navigation to the bare basics, turning convention completely on its head and resurfacing your natural instinct to find the way. At the core of BeeLine is the stripped-back concept of fuzzy navigation. In the city, being told which turns to take is a hindrance, not a help, so BeeLine simply points you in the general direction to your destination and tells you the distance to go, no instructions. Imagine a compass that knows where you want to go and points there instead of north. BeeLine brings easy GPS navigation to your bike. Innovative BeeLine GPS navigation system launches on Kickstarter. This compass is made for geographically challenged cyclists. It is a digital compass for your bike. It aims to make bicycle navigation easier. This slick little smart compass tells you which direction to cycle. BeeLine Gadget lets you multitask and enjoy simple navigation. This makes riding fun again. You become more engaged in your journey and discover all kinds of hidden gems you would never find on the major, and often longer, routes. As you can never take a wrong turn, riding becomes completely stress-free. For the occasions where you have to go via a specific point, e.g. a bridge over a river, it is built in the option to add intermediate waypoints to your journey to ensure you never get stuck. To set BeeLine up, simply snap the device onto your bike, select a destination in the free app, and off you go. You can even save frequently used destinations for a one-tap service. If you want to buy this amazing product, then link is in the description. Fresh air is a natural gift of life. Toxic air is now a global problem. Breathing in toxic air causes side effects, as increased stress, and even the depression. Various masks in the market try blocking that air. They also restrict the flow of clean air. Is it possible not only block toxic air, but also produce access clean air in the process? MoBlu is a device that we all need now. More than ever, this device aims to provide clean air for everyone. Offering a filter rating of around 99.97%, meaning this mask can filter out nearly all harmful pollutants that may surround you. You can breathe fresh and clean air while out in public, moving the lawn, painting your house, or countless other applications. This mask is designed to be used nearly anywhere and is curable enough to survive through even the most difficult tasks or projects. These masks are available online. It is likely that these masks will sell out quite quickly. So don't delay if you are interested in purchasing one too. The link is in the description. Subscribe, like and share my channel because I take lot of new amazing gadgets for you. Thanks.